Welcome back to my vlog, guys. I am an FMG foreign medical graduate from Russia Tivay State Medical University. In my vlog, I will show you tips and bits of my life during residency at an Indian medical college where I'm pursuing my PG in anesthesiology and critical care. So, guys, after passing out from Tivay State Medical University, I cleared my FMG exam and then I did my internship from RML Hospital, New Delhi. And after that, I prepared for NEET PG and also worked side by side. Currently, I'm in second year pursuing anesthesiology and critical care. During my first year in anesthesiology, I also got married, and this video is an amalgam of how I'm juggling my work life, my education, and my married life. So as you know from my previous few videos that our DRP or district residency program have started, where we basically have to report to district hospital and wait for cases in case any happens. Happy Baisakhi. I just finished taking a shower and today we have a holiday in our DRP, that is district residency program, because it's a GH general holiday. And today I'm planning to start studying from all the ICU topics. Yesterday night I made a list of the topics and I started studying CVA, cerebrovascular accident, and sepsis. So I'm going to share the other topics as well. System wise, I've listed some topics that are important for ICU, because even if you are a locum doctor or you are an FMG student who is willing to work like a locum doctor in future, these topics are really going to help you with your interviews and in your experience during your work at the ICU. This is what I typically have for lunch: lots of cucumbers, some mixed vegetables, some raita, dal, and sometimes I'll grab a roti. I've also been more regular at the gym because during our DRP it's more like a sedentary lifestyle, so we don't get as much movement as we do on regular days in the OT or ICU. So I have made it a point to go to gym at least 5 days a week for 1 hour. They say that even 30 minutes of daily physical activity can have a huge impact on your shape and your mindset. So like I showed earlier, I usually have one roti and I take a lot of vegetables like salad throughout the day, and I avoid junk food. And in the gym, I mainly do treadmill, crosswalk, cycling, and yeah, that's pretty much it. This week was also exciting because my sister flew back in for her vacation. For the weekend, I decided to go to Bareilly, from where Varun Arjun is at a stone's throw, which is my husband's college, from where he's pursuing orthopedics. We are on our way to Hunger Point. Yeah. 3 OT करके आने के बाद, बॉइलिंग वाटर पीने के बाद, इसकी मैं चाय बनाती हूँ अभी. चाय बन सकती है इससे, सच में चाय के हिसाब से भी बहुत गर्म है.
नहीं, कुछ नहीं बोल रहा.
हेलो गाइस, कुछ कह रहे थे?
नहीं, कुछ नहीं बोल रहा. अभी हम हंगर पॉइंट जा रहे हैं. मैं आपको द ग्रेट शाहजहाँपुर दिखाता हूँ. थोड़ा सा रिस्क होगा. मौका कर दो.
तो जो जल्दी बन जाएगा, मौका कर दो. रुको. ये वैलिड है रिव्यू वाला. सबमिट अ रिव्यू एंड गेट 5% ऑफ. गाइस, तो हम शाहजहाँपुर में हमने एक बहुत ही कूल चीज़ देखा, कम्प्लीटली अनएक्सपेक्टेड. नामी कॉफ़ी, ऑथेंटिक जापानीज कॉफ़ी विथ द प्रेजेंटेशन. ऊपर हमने लिया है नाचोस एंड बीच में स्ट्रॉ है. सो बेसिकली यू विल लाइक सक द कॉफ़ी आउट ऑफ द बोल थ्रू द स्ट्रॉ, और बीच में नाचोस खा सकते हो. परफेक्ट स्नैक. गुस्सा हो गए बिकॉज उनको मैंने क्रेडिट्स नहीं दिया फॉर फाइंडिंग आउट दिस प्लेस, एंड दिस इज शेफ्स किस. हो गया क्लियर. स्टॉप एट दिस श्रीजी ग्लास हाउस. ओह, गॉड ब्लेस यू. सो गाइज, बरेली में एक नाइट स्टे करने के बाद मैंने अपने हस्बैंड को सरप्राइज़ किया बाय बुकिंग हिम अ ट्रिप टू ऋषिकेश. बेसिकली ट्रिप तो क्या ही बुक किया था, आई बुकड अस अ स्टे in Rishikesh, and I compelled him to drive to that location. It was a 7 hours drive, so the drive was really hectic, but totally worth it because we reached right before Ganga Aarti. honestly, the experience was so holy that we were not ready to move out of the place yet. So we both decided to take Naam, like you know from the last video that I got Naam or Diksha from Gurudev, from Sri Ramakrishna Ashram, and we decided to take Naam. My husband also shared that when you take Naam beside a water body, the effect of the Naam gets amplified.
स्टार्ट कहाँ से होगी?
Really nice. So, after our amazing trip to Rishikesh, we came back to our respective colleges and resumed with our respective duties. So in Noida, we discovered this new place. It's an open air eat out kind of setup near Star Cricket Ground, and we really liked it. We had honey chili potato, and the next day we were ready to spend some quality time with my parents, as in my in laws, at Noida. And I also ordered two gadgets for ourselves, a tripod stand for myself and a memory card reader come convertible port 8 in 1 stuff for Rohit. And I got ready because we were heading out for the day. First, we wanted to go to a temple, Bhairanath Mandir, and then we had to give some gifts to our friends and extended family. Then we went to CP, especially to eat chole bhature from a famous shop from which my father-in-law has been eating chole bhature for a long, long time. This is the name of the shop. It's so famous. This is the tiny shop from where it all started, and then now they have different branches all over Delhi NCR. The chole bhature was delicious. In the evening, we decided to attend an event where my brother-in-law sets up stall with his partner for selling crockery, ceramics, and they had a little game situation going on, but none of us won anything in that. It was also the completion of 4 months since our wedding, and this was the outfit that I wore. This outfit was gifted to me by my father in law from Udaipur, and I love, love, love the color and shape.